1-year review on my VR transmission. I had got this installed January 4th, 2024, my birthday, and I'm making this video January 24th. So it's been over a year. So let's go ahead and give y'all a review of how everything's going. Has it been reliable? Have it broke down? Is it healthy? Let's go ahead and talk about it. So the 1-year review on my VR transmission. Honestly, it's been a great transmission. I haven't had any problems with it. It's been good, it's been reliable. But yeah, it's been good, it's been reliable. G35, what you trying to do, bruh? G35, I'll smoke you. I will smoke you, bro. Please don't do it to yourself. We can do it if you want to, cause I'm bold. Come on. Let's see, we got the boys right there, so we're gonna be chilling right now. But yeah, man, it's been super duper reliable, bro. Like, I done took this car on a road trip, drove over 1,500 miles with the car. It's been a real good, great car. Well, it's been a real good transmission. Mind you, I bought the transmission at had like 400 something miles on it at the time, and I had put it in at, I think, like 98 or 99, so I definitely got thousands of miles on the transmission now, but it's still like fairly young though at the same time, you know what I'm saying? It's like a brand new transmission for real. So everything's been good. I really commend the guys at Full Throttle Performance. I just got off the phone with him today, and he was like, man, he did like over 100 VR swaps, which is crazy. And from everybody, like, well, to everybody who came from me, I definitely appreciate you for going there and telling them that y'all came from me and stuff like that. It means a lot, you know. That's crazy. It's crazy how much of big of an influence I have with like the whole VR swap thing, and I'm just so excited to, you know, tell you what I got in store as far as like with, you know, me and Full Throttle. But you know, that video will come out when it come out. But yeah, man, as far as like the VR, it's been great, you know. I do have to do some maintenance. I do have to go ahead and do the transmission fluid on it. I'm actually going to be doing that very, very, very soon, because like I said, I got this done at 98, 99. I kind of wanted to get it done like before 120. So that's my goal, is to get the transmission fluid done and make sure it's in great health, you know, especially now since it's tuned and everything like that. Well, not the transmission is tuned, but the car is tuned. And that's another thing that I can't wait for. I can't wait to tune my transmission. Ecutech is coming out with a program to where now you could tune the transmission, and that's gonna be a game changer, bro. Especially since I did the VR swap and all of that. That's definitely gonna be a game changer. So I'm definitely excited about that. I really don't have any cons with the transmission. Like, you know, I honestly can say like it would make it seem like it was made for the car. Like the VR swap would, like, you would kind of think like this transmission was made for the car, because, you know, it just feels normal. It feels good. And I think that goes, you know, with installation as well. They out today, boy. I'm on my P's and Q's today. But yeah, I think that goes with like installation and all the other stuff. Like, you know, they really done a great job with this swap, and it's been good to me, you know what I'm saying? Like, like I said, like I went on a road trip, bro, like over 1,500 miles, you know, like 700 miles, like, yeah, like 600 miles going there and then 600 miles going back, and then also putting miles on the car while I'm out there, you know what I'm saying? Like, and then just me like daily driving this car too. Like, you know, I've been daily driving it, especially since what happened to my G35 when it, you know, got scratched or whatever, put in the shop, got out the shop. But, you know, I've been kind of nervous about just driving that car, you know, daily driving it, because it looks so clean in the front, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to mess up like the rock chips or nothing like that. But yeah, you know, this car is, you know, it's been my daily driver for the past couple of months, and honestly, like I could say, like the tune and as far as like the VR swap, everything has been working out, which I'm really happy about. Everything has been working out. So as y'all can see, like me doing the pool and stuff like that, everything has been working out, and I'm definitely happy about it, and I'm happy about the future, the direction where this car is going. So, but yeah, you know, I definitely want to say thank you to everybody who's been saying, you know, they came for me, you know what I'm saying? Like, I definitely appreciate that. Charlie appreciate you guys' business as well at Full Throttle Performance. And yeah, man, if you haven't got a VR swap yet, I definitely suggest you get it. If you're like on the fence about it, like I was in the beginning, this had to be the best decision of my life. I'm glad I didn't go with the regular VQ transmission. I wouldn't be as happy as I am today with the VR, hands down. Like, this is great, you know what I'm saying? Like, and it doesn't cost as much, you know. The VR transmissions are actually a lot cheaper than the VQs, and the VR transmissions are a lot better than a VQ transmission. So if your TCM is gone out and you're looking to buy a new TCM from the dealer, I bought one, and I can't remember the exact price, but I remember paying over $1,500 for it. You could literally buy a VR transmission for like 900 bucks. Probably with labor, probably spend like maybe 1,300, like 2,000, you know, for the whole thing, compared to spending like over 1,500 for the TCM. And then if you're not doing it yourself, you're going to get charged for labor. You're going to be paying like over 2,000. So you might as well just go ahead and get the VR transmission for real. It's just a better transmission. You'll be happy with it long term. And yeah, you know, you can even switch. You can put the VQ TCM in it, but honestly, I would recommend the VR TCM just because it's more durable than the VQ, because you'll have to deal with it again, you know what I'm saying, later on. So I have the VR TCM. The only con about it is that it switches gears at 6,500 RPMs when you are driving in regular drive. But if you switch it over to manual mode, after the second gear, you can go as long as you want to, so which is good. So I don't want to drag this video on for too long, so this is it. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
They was praying that I fall off. Yeah, stood 10 toes, never fall, young, finna ball off. And it's still west side Pasadena.